Hi guys, my name is Verada. I am here at Auto Film Solutions, and we've got this Cybertruck here. It's wrapped in 3M satin psychedelic flip, and it's here for a replacement DRL bar. So what we're going to be doing is installing the boring light Rgbw DRL bar, and we're going to do an install video to show you how fast and easy the install is and how true it is to being 100% plug and play. So we're going to just get right into it. We're going to pop open the frunk. And as far as tools, the only thing you're going to need is a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. We're going to take off the fascia plate here, and we're going to take off 12 10mm bolts. Now we're going to swap over to our 8mm socket. We're going to take off 2 nuts on the outside. So these nuts actually hold the DRL bar into the frunk. And we're going to get our flathead, and we're going to remove the clips that hold in these trim plates. So there's one clip here, and it is a 2-piece clip. So you're going to pull out the first piece, and then you're going to pull out the second piece. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this straight out. And there's 2 white clips holding that in. So make sure you look for those. Sometimes they get lodged into the actual, the frunk lid. Make sure you don't lose those. Okay. Now we're going to take this plate off. I'm going to pull this down to about here, and this plate is pretty heavy, so it's held in by 3 dowels at this point. So you've got 1 here and then 1 on each side. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit just so I can get my fingers underneath, and then I'm going to pull it off. Make sure you got a good grip on it. It is pretty heavy. So now what's left are 2 bolts that hold the bar in. We've got 2 10mm. We're gonna pull those off. Now we're ready to remove the bar. We're gonna unplug the factory connector here. And I'm gonna put one hand in the center, my right hand over here, and I'm just gonna give it a quick tug. There's a clip here that we need to dislodge. And then same thing over here. And then at this point, we're gonna go ahead and pull the bar out. I'm gonna pull this frunk down just a bit so it doesn't fly up on me. I'm gonna grab our new boring light, and I'm just gonna kind of set it in place. Now I've got 1 alignment pin in the center that we want to line up. And then I'm going to give it a tap here and a tap here. I'm going to plug it in. We're going to put our 2 10mm back in. And I'm just going to make sure that the light is still lined up. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to our 8mm. And we're going to put in the 2 final nuts that hold this in. And now we need to install our front fascia here. So I'm going to hold it from the bottom, and I'm going to line up the dowel that's underneath. Once I've got the center one in, I'm gonna just push this up, get that dowel in, and then get our passenger side dowel in. Now I'm gonna lift the frunk up so this can't fall off. And we're gonna put in our 10s. Now we'll put in our trim plates. We're going to clip those in, and then we're going to install our third clip here. So you're going to put that first basket in, and then you're going to put in the second piece to expand the clip. We're gonna go ahead and pull out all our tools. And then we're gonna close our frunk. And there you have it.